Alright, a lot of people have been posting videos on YouTube. This is a 2006 Nissan Sentra. The cables that control the vent and the temperature, they tend to break. The little clips right here, the clips don't break. The plastic right there that hold them in, it breaks. And a lot of videos I've seen, people are saying use zip ties, but the zip ties seem to dry rot, and they don't seem to hold the cable very well. The cable likes to slide in and out. If you'll notice, this clip has little teeth in there. I don't know if you can see it. There's some little teeth inside there that hold that cable. The zip ties still allow the cable to slide a little bit. And so what I've done, I took my Dremel tool and I cut a little notch right there so I can stick a machine screw through there. It still clips over here on this side, and stuck a machine screw through there and a nut and some washers on that side, so it holds it in place. And to me, I think that works a lot better than the zip ties. So just, if you have some way to cut a notch, that was solid across there. If I thought about it, I would have took a picture before. But if you have some way to cut a notch in that clip, where you can stick a screw through there to hold it in place, and then it'll clip over here, and that'll hold it better than the zip tie. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.